Magandang araw! Welcome back sa Math Husay General Math Tutorial. Sa videong ito, pag-aaralan natin ang pagkakaiba ng logarithmic equations, logarithmic inequalities, at logarithmic functions. Let's begin! Ano nga ba ang pagkakaiba ng logarithmic equation, logarithmic inequality, at logarithmic function? Ang logarithmic equation is an equation involving logarithms. Halimbawa nito ay ang log of 2 to the base x equals 4. So, madaling mag-identify ng logarithmic equation. How about logarithmic inequality? Ang logarithmic inequality is an inequality involving logarithms. Halimbawa, natural log of x squared is greater than the square of the natural log of x. Kapag inequalities ang ating pinag-uusapan, may apat na symbols tayong dapat alalahanin. Pwedeng greater than, pwedeng less than, pwedeng greater than or equal to, pwedeng less than or equal to. So, kapag meron tong symbols na ganito, tulad ng apat na aking nabanggit, tinatawag natin siyang logarithmic inequality. Now, we have defined what logarithmic function is. Alam natin na pag sinabi nating logarithmic function, it's a function of the form f of x equals log of x to the base b, na kung saan yung base natin must be greater than 0 and b must not be equal to 1. Halimbawa ng logarithmic function ay g of x is equal to log of x to the base 3. So, function ito. This time, let's determine whether yung given is a logarithmic function, logarithmic equation, a logarithmic inequality, or none of these. Number 1, we have log of 4x equals negative log of 3x plus 5. So this example is actually a logarithmic equation, right? Let's have another example. G of x is equal to log of x to the base 5. Ang example na ito ay halimbawa ng logarithmic function, obviously, right? And let's take the third example. X log of x to the base 2 minus 1 is greater than 0. So, obviously, dahil meron tayong inequality sign or symbol, so this is an example of logarithmic inequality. Now that you can distinguish logarithmic equation, logarithmic inequality, and logarithmic function, try these exercises. If you're done, share your answers in the comment section. Kung nakatulong ang Math Husay Math Tutorial na mas maintindihan ninyo ang pagkakaiba ng logarithmic equation sa logarithmic inequalities at logarithmic function, give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember, ang sikreto para maging mathusay, matuto, at mag-ensayo. Watch the next episode and learn more about the basic properties of logarithmic function. See you next meeting. Bye!